Welcome back. Sorry for being absent, not producing videos and not replying to mails and messages and you know, the usual. I'm sorry. There's no winter depression anymore, but now it's axe obsession. Bra biking, Herman. Må du lenger fram, ja. Ja, det blir bra. My decision, and it's kind of been a like a snowball effect, a vicious cycle. But I kind of put videos on hold until my two strokes were my main interest again, or main focus. But this is also a part of two strokes for me. It's kind of a wax on, wax off thing, where everything I do, every obsession I get, like with last year's BMX thing and everything else I've been obsessed about, there's always a lot of things that I learn and that I can take from that and apply to two strokes, even though it doesn't seem immediately apparent. I'm usually pretty good at just winging new things, and I can become pretty good at it pretty fast. Not so much with TIG welding. TIG welding is it's something you need a lot of practice with, which I haven't done. So I have to sit down and actually practice TIG welding. To give you the videos you deserve. There will be periods with weird content, seemingly not related to two-strokes, like what I'm doing now. I'm cutting up some trees. I also lucky to get, like, this is not my forest, but everything that's fallen down, windfall and everything that's not, like, it's been, they've recently cut down all the trees they were going to sell, so what's left will not be touched by anyone except me, because I was allowed to take everything I wanted to take. So now I'm building a small log cabin for my kids. Traditional, and I'm learning a lot about traditional methods and how material knowledge, like trees, were much better, used to be better. There's a lot of things that used to be better. Anyways, so you'll get some axe work and some log cabin work, but I'll make sure to at least have some two-stroke, like actual two-stroke content in my videos. And probably soon I'll be sick of doing this stuff and we're back to two-strokes. Or I'll get a crazy idea about something and I'll just have to do that. So, like two-stroke crazy idea. So yeah, I'm sorry, and I know I've said that many times before, but I'm truly sorry. I'll do better.